you can import AutoCAD files into Revit, specifically when you are trying to capture maybe a drawing done by a surveyor and use that for your reference to build the site, like in this example. So it's normally nice to inspect first the drawing before you insert it into CAD. You want to check the layers being used. Do you want to import them all? Or do you want to just import the ones that you need? Another is the units that is being used. So here, for example, it's just 161 meters. So are you receiving a drawing that was drawn in meters? Or is this drawn in millimeters? So just say type DI and double check, right? So what does that mean, right? Is this actually, well, this is the property. So the site will be much bigger than that. But this shows that it's using millimeters, right? That can't be 96,000 meters, right? That would be really big. So that's one thing that you need to check. Okay. Another is some information that will be provided, right? That you can use. So for example, this information here, right? That we will use for the project drawing. Okay. And then maybe you can clean it up. Like for example, if you have lines like this, oops. So let's cancel out and delete that. And likewise, look at, for example, here, there are some information where we can actually use this property line drawing to draw the property line in Revit by way of just picking the lines, right? Or like what we saw earlier, provide the distance and the bearing. So those are some of the things that you need to consider, because there are drawings, right? Like this one here. It says 52, right? And I presume that will be in millimeter. And when you check, for example, again, type BI, it will give you, in this case, 52, right? 52415. So that means the surveyor is accustomed to drawing in millimeter, where 1 unit is equals to 1 millimeter, 1 meter. So that will also have some effect when you import within Revit. Now, of course, Revit has the capability of detecting the unit being used, but it's always nice to be able to know ahead of time so that you can import it properly, which we will do next.